Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Growth with Tufail, where we explore knowledge growth and the digital world with purpose. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools of our time, digital marketing. Whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or someone just curious how online businesses grow, this video is for you. So grab your tea, stay till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check the link in my bio for free resources to kickstart your digital journey. Digital marketing is simply how businesses promote their products or services using the internet. Unlike traditional marketing like TV ads or billboards, digital marketing meets people where they already spend most of their time on their phones and laptops. From social media ads to email campaigns, websites, and SEO, every click, post, and share plays a role in attracting the right audience. To make it simple, let's break down the 5 main pillars that make up digital marketing success. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube aren't just for fun, they're business tools. The secret: consistency plus authenticity. People connect with people, not products. This is all about creating valuable content, blogs, videos, podcasts to educate or entertain your audience. The more value you give, the more trust you build. Ever wonder how some websites always pop up first on Google? That's SEO. It's the art of optimizing your content so Google can't ignore you. Still powerful. It lets you connect directly with your audience, share offers, and build long-term loyalty. When you need fast results like launching a product, paid ads on Google, Facebook, or YouTube can give you instant visibility. But remember, test, track, and tweak. Here's the truth: the world has gone digital. If your business or personal brand isn't online, you're invisible to most of your audience. Digital marketing gives you the power to reach global audiences, build trust and community, measure real results, and most importantly, grow your income and impact. So, whether you are just starting or already building your brand, digital marketing is your ticket to online success. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you want free tools, guides, and courses to start your digital marketing journey, check the link in my bio. Remember, the digital world rewards those who take action. See you in the next one.